Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. Myself Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subjects. What we have studied in our last session students, do you remember? Yes, we have started one new concept in our lesson number 1, large numbers. In that we have started one new concept, that is rounding numbers. Yes, do you remember? We have started with the rounding numbers, rounding to the nearest tens and rounding to the nearest 100. We have completed. Today we have to start rounding to the nearest 1000. Before that, let us revise once again rounding of number. Okay? Yeah, so today I am going to give one trick for rounding up number. Okay, keep in your mind this trick so you can solve very easily whatever questions they will give. Okay, rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, if question is about rounding off to nearest 10, what you have to do? Whenever 10 is there, nearest 10, look at the digit at ones place. Keep in your mind, ones place. Whenever tens is there, you have to look at the digit ones place. And what you have to do next? If it is 4 or less in question, if it is 4 or less, replace it with 0 without changing the digit at the tens place. Okay? Let us see with the example. Okay? For example, I have taken here 13. The question is 13. We have to round off this number nearest to 10. Then what they said, whenever tens is there, look at the digit at the ones place. See, this is ones, this is tens. Where we have to look at ones place. Just underline the ones place whenever it is nearest to 10. And next, what it is? See, if it is 4 or less, where in ones place? If it is 4 or less, is it 3? It is what? 3. So of course it is less than 4. Then what we have to do? Replace it with 0. Means we have to write 1 as it is and replace it. This ones place we have to replace it with 0 without changing the digit at tens place. Tens place whatever number is there, write as it is and just replace the ones place with the 0. Whenever on ones place 4 or less than that number is there. Okay. Now next one more we will see. Here what I had given, see, if it is 5 or more, then replace a 0 at ones place and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. I will show you this example here. Okay. For example, this is second example. I will take here 26. Okay. Now see, in this question, first it is nearest to tens. So what you have to do? Just underline the ones place. Then if it is 5 or more, see ones place 6 is there, means it is more than 5. Then what to do? Then replace a 0 at ones place. 0 at ones place. Okay. And add 1. See what they are asking, what they are saying? Add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Here is ones, here is tens. What we have to do? Add 1 in tens place. When I add in tens place, 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer? 30. 26 round off number is 30. Understood? Clear? I'll show you one more example of like this with this method. Okay, we will take different number. Okay, now 3 digit they are given, so no need to worry how many digit they will give, it doesn't matter. So just read the question properly. What is the question? Nearest to 10. So whenever nearest to 10, look at the digit at ones place. Okay, let us see the ones place only. What is on ones place? 2 is there. Then what to do? If it is 4 or less, of course it is less than 4, then just replace it with the 0, changing the digit at the tens place. Just replace the number with the 0 and remaining number write as it is. Okay, one more example I'll tell you. Now I have taken 4 digit number. Okay, now ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 4 digit. Just whenever nearest to tens, underline the ones place. Ones place, what number is there you have to see. If it is less than 4, then what you have to do, just replace the number with 0 without changing tens, 100, 1000. And if it is 5 or more, now exactly a 5 is there, then what to do? Replace the number with the 0 at ones place, but and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Okay, so I will replace with 0, but what I have to do? What we have to do? Add 1 to the tens place. 5 plus 1, 6. So your 6 will come and remaining number as it is. Got it? Clear? The concept is clear? Very easy, yeah? Very easy. Okay. Now we will move to the next. Now we have seen rounding off to the nearest 10. Now we will see rounding off to the nearest 100. Little changes there. Everything is same. Just keep in your mind properly what you have to do. Now whenever they are asking rounding nearest 100, what you have to do? Look at the digit at tens place. Are you getting? Now we have to look at the digit at the tens place. Now same, if it is 4 or less, then replace the zeros at the tens and ones. Here tens and ones place without changing the digit at the hundreds place. Now I will explain you with the example. Okay. Now see, if it is 4 or less, now where we have to see? Look at the digit at tens place. Okay, I will see at tens place. This is ones, tens, 100. Whenever we are doing rounding nearest 100, we have to see the tens place. What is on tens place? 5 is there. Then what to do? Yes, if it is 4 or less, then replace the zeros, tens and ones. So it is not 4, it is 5. So here regarding this question, here one point is there. Now we will read this. If it is 5 or more, then replace a 0 at the tens place and ones place. Now it is 5 is there. Then what they are saying to do? Just replace the number with 0, 0 at tens place and ones place. And what to do? Add 1 to the digit at 100 place. And 100 is here. Okay. What we have to do? We have to add 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So 254 we have to round up to 300. Got it? Let me explain you one more example. Now I have taken 4-digit number. Okay. Now, but the question is whether how many digit number is not important. The question is important. Rounding nearest 100. So whenever nearest 100, just look at the tens place. Okay. What is there on tens place? 3 is there. If it is 4 or less, of course it is less than 4. So what we have to do? Then place the zeros at tens and ones place. Let us place 0 at ones place and tens place. place without changing the digit at hundreds place. Now 100 place we should not change. When? If it is less than 4. Of course 3 is less than 4. So what I have done here, I have given zeros at tens place and ones place without changing hundreds place. Okay? Understood? So this number, rounding of number is 1400. Got it? See. Understood till here? Now let me explain you the next concept. Yes. Now the third concept, rounding off to the nearest thousand. We have seen rounding off nearest tens, hundreds. Now we are going to see the thousands. Now whenever thousand we have to round up, what we have to do? See here. Look at the digit at 100 place. Keep in your mind 100 place. Okay, so when it is about tens, you have to look at ones. When it is about 100, you have to look at tens. And when it is about 1000, you have to look at 100. Just before place value. Okay, keep in your mind. Now, let us see with the example. Okay, the first example I will take. Okay, this is my example. If it is 4 or less, first look at the digit at 100 place. Let us see what is our 100 place in this number. In 100 place 3 is there. Then if it is 4 or less, of course it is less than 4. Then what to do? Then place zeros at the hundreds, tens and ones. See. 100, tens and ones. What we have to do? Place zeros. Let us place without changing the digit at thousands place also. So what is there on thousands place? 4 is there. We should not change. Write as it is. Got it? So the rounding of number 4319 is 4000, nearest number. Understood? We will see one more example. Okay, now I will take 5-digit number. Okay, now I have taken 5-digit number. First I will give place values 1000, 10,000. So whenever they are asked for rounding nearest 1000, we have to look at the digit at the hundreds place. Now what is there on hundreds place? 4 is there. If it is 4 or less, what to do? Same, just place the zeros in hundreds place, tens place and ones place. See, 100, tens, ones. Place the zeros and thousands place, write as it is without changing the digit. I have written, so 10,000s place also I will write as it is. I hope understood everyone. So nearest number of 15,406 is 15,000. Got it? Now let me tell you one more example. Okay? Third one. With 5 digit only I will go. Okay. My question is 16,932. Let me give place values first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now question is nearest to 1000. So underline the hundreds place. What is there on hundreds place? 9. Now we have seen if it is 4 or less. Now it is 9. Now let us read this. If it is 5 or more, then replace a 0 at hundreds, tens and 1. Same, but what we have to do? Add 1 to the digit at thousands place. This is important. Add 1. Where to add? Thousands place. Are you getting? Thousands place. First let us place zeros at 100, tens and ones. Then what we have to do? In thousands place we have to add 1. Why we are adding? Because in 100 place the number is more than 5. So we are adding 1 at thousands place. So what will come? 6 plus 1, 7. So I'll write here 7 and 1. So the nearest thousand of the number 16,932 will come 17,000. Let me take you last one more example for you. Okay. Now see this. Okay. Now first what you have to do, give the place value 1000, 10,000. Then nearest to 1000, so underline the hundreds place. What is there on hundreds place? 8 is there. If 5 or more than 5, then what you will do? We will place the zeros at 100, tens and ones place. Then we will add 1 to the thousands place. 2 plus 1, 3 and 1 as it is. Got it? Clear? Till here? Shall we move for the next? Yes. Yeah. Everyone open your Canopy page number 16. Okay. Rounding to the nearest 1000. Just now we have seen, whenever rounding to the nearest 1000, we have to look at the digit at the hundreds place. Okay. Consider, they had given one question, 12,815. So they have done this question in number line. Okay. So what we have to do? 12,500 lies midway of 12,000 and 13,000. Okay. The question is 12,850. So what we have done here, you can see, we have taken the midway number first. The midway is 12,500 and this side up 13,000 will come and downside 12,000 will come. Okay. So now, so all numbers from 12,500 to 12,999 and 13,001 to 13,499 will be rounded to. Where will rounded? Yes students, just think. See, the question is 12,850. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the rounding number nearest to this number. Okay. So what we have to do? First see the number. Hundreds place. What is there? 8. So just place the zeros. Add 1. So here we'll get 3 and 13. So upside we have to write 13 and this side 12,000. Okay. So first find out the midway number. The midway number is 12,500. Okay. So lies between this two number, this number will lie. And where 12,815 will lie? You can see 500 after only 850 will come. So we have considered here somewhere between these two numbers. Okay. Now 12,500 will get rounded to 13,000. We have done here already. Okay. But the numbers, all numbers we have to see. The numbers from 12,500 to 12,999 means till here 12,999 and from here again will start 13,001 to 13,000. If we go in the same way, here before 13,500, here it will come 13,499. So will be, what will come here? 13,001 to 13,499 will be rounded to 13,000 only. Okay. So therefore 12,850 will be rounded to 13,000. When I'll explain with the examples, when we will solve questions, that time you will understand very easily. Okay. Now we will start our exercise 1.9. What is the A question? Round the following numbers to the nearest 10. Okay. Question is nearest 10. See what we have studied. If nearest tens, just look at the ones place. Okay. Let us solve one by one. Let us start first example of exercise 1.9. A question, first one. What is the question? 178. So the question is what? We have to round the following numbers to the nearest tens. Whenever it is about nearest tens, what I said, you have to look at the digit at ones place. First give the place values, ones, tens, 100. Okay, it is round off to the nearest tens. So look at the digit at the ones place. What it is? 8. If it is 4 or less, we have to place the 0 without changing tens place. But if it is 5 or more, now of course here 8 is there. It is more than 5. So we have to place the 0 at ones place, but we have to add 1 to the tens place. So 7 plus 1, 8, and hundreds place as it is. Got it? So how you will write the answer? Nearest number of 117 is 180. Understood? You will write in this way. Okay? Now let me solve one more example for you. Now I will take third one we will take. The third one question is 70. Okay? So give the place value ones, tens. So we have to round off nearest tens. So tens means just underline the ones place. What it is? 0. See, it is less than 4. Then what we have to do? Already 0 is there. So what will come here? Question I have written wrong. 71 they had given. 71. Okay? 71. Underline the ones place. At ones place, what is there? 1 is there. 1 is less than 4. So when it is less than 4, place the 0 at ones place as it is, and tens place also without changing any number. We have to write number as it is. So the answer is 70. Got it? Let me explain one more example for you. We will take sixth one. What is the sixth one? 1239. Okay? 4-digit number is there. First give the place value ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now rounding, we have to find out nearest tens. If nearest tens, underline the ones place. What is there at ones place? 9. 9 is more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, we have to place 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. Now tens place 3 is there. Now what we have to do? Add 3 plus 1, 4. Here I will write 4 and remaining number place as it is. Got? So nearest number is 1240. Understood? Now one more example I will solve for you. That is seventh one. 1978. Now see in this number. This is question is about nearest tens. So underline the ones place. Ones place 8 is there. It is more than 5. So what we have to do? Just place the 0 at 1's place and add 1 to the 10's place. 7 plus 1, 8. And remaining number write as it is. Got it? The nearest number is 1980. In this way, you will solve the remaining second, fourth and fifth one. Understood? Clear till here? Shall we move to the next question? Now we will solve our B question. See on page number 17. B question is there. B question. What is B question? What numbers can be rounded to the nearest 10 to? See, and they had given 4 numbers. List all the numbers. We have to list. We will solve in that first question. What is the first question? 140. Okay. Let me place this number in number line. 140. Now see, 140 is there. What numbers will come between this 140? If I go with the multiply, here 150 will come and here 130 will come. Okay. Now see, between these two numbers, it is nearest tens. 140 and 150 between what will come? 145. And here 130 and 140 between 135. So 140 rounding numbers we have to find out. What numbers can be rounded to the nearest tens of this given number? See, 140, if 141, 142, 143, 144. If 1 till 144 is the number they had given, we used to round up to the 140. Yes or no, students? Because see, if 144 question is there, the rounding number of 144, what will happen? 1's place the 0 and remaining number without changing write as it is. See, where it is going? To the 140 only. And here 139, 138, 137 and 136. Till 136 also the number goes to round up to the 140. How? For example, 136 I have taken. Okay. And we have to underline the 1's place. 1's place, what is there? 6. If it is 5 or more, what we have to do? Place the 0 at 1's place and add 1 to the 10's place. If I add at 10's place 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. See, 140. So, now we can say from 136 to 139 and from 141 to 144. These numbers can be rounded to the nearest 140. So, the answer is, how you will write? Yes, students? See, here from 35 will come, 35 also. If it is 5 or more, if 35 also there, what will happen? We will place the 0 only and we will add 1. So, 140 only will come. So, from 135 to, you can list all the numbers. 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144. These numbers can be rounded to the 140. Got it? Let me explain you one more example. Okay? We will take third one. Third one is 1000. Okay? 1000 they had given. Now, I will write here 1000. Now, we are doing tens place. So, 1000 after what will come? 1010, and here 1000 before 990. Now see, between these two numbers 1005, and between these two numbers 995. See, if it is 5 or more than 5, that number will rounded off to the 1000, and if it is less than 4 before 1005, see here what numbers will come: 1001, 1002, 1003 and 1004. These all numbers will be rounded up to the 1000, and here also till 995 to all till 999. All numbers can be rounded up to 1000. So here we can say 995 to 1004 can be rounded nearest to tens to 1000. You can write all the numbers in this way, or else you can write in this way also. Okay? So understood? B question clear? Now remaining C, D we will see in our next session. So first and third one I have solved here. Second and fourth one you are going to solve very easy. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in a Google Meet. I will once again I will clear your doubt. Okay? So what is your today's assignment? Question number A and B. All questions try to solve by your own in a rough book and practice it today itself. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.